Did you know that いいよ and いいね are used in different situations? 同じじゃないの？ちょっと違うんだな。Today, let's clear up the confusion so you can use them correctly. First, let's review what ね and よ actually do. These are sentence ending particles that show your feelings. ね is for seeking agreement. It's used when you wanna agree or share the same feelings with someone. 今日は暑いね。And よ is for sharing new information. You use it to tell the listener something they don't know yet. 外暑いよ。帽子がいるよ。Okay, now that we have the basics, let's see how this works with いい。First, let's talk about いいね。You probably know this one. Since it ends with ね、you are agreeing with the listener's idea or something you see. For example, 明日出かけない？
いいね。
It's like sounds good or nice. You also see いいね a lot on social media. Actually, the like button in Japan is translated as いいね. This is because you are agreeing with the post and saying, I think this is good too. Next up, いいよ. Since it ends with よ, you are giving the listener new information. It's often used when you are giving permission or saying OK to a request. ここがよくわからないんだけど教えてくれる？いいよ。明日遊べる？いいよ。Now let's look at tricky situation together. Imagine にゃんこさん looks a bit worried. He shows you his work and asks, What do you think of this? If you wanna be supportive, which one do you use? いいね or いいよ? Actually, you can use both, but the nuance is a bit different. If you say, これいいね It sounds like, nice, I like it. You're just sharing your positive feeling. But if you say, これいいよ It sounds like you are trying to convince the listener. Since にゃんこさん is worried, you use よ to give him the new info that his work is actually good. Also, sometimes いいよ can mean no thank you. It's like when you say I'm good in English to politely decline something. For example, if a friend asks, 手伝おうか? You can just say, あ、いいよ. And to make it clear, we usually add 大丈夫. あ、いいよ、大丈夫. If you wanna be more polite, just say, 大丈夫です、ありがとうございます。ムーンちゃんとペッピーのシール発売中。それでは例文です。今度みんなでキャンプしない？いいよ。ああ、私はいいよ。キャンプあまり好きじゃないんだ。
明日、映画見に行かない？
いいね。このペン使ってもいい？いいよ。見てくれてありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe. またね